Hello, Clarinians! It's dear Sonata Jane A. Manzano.
At hello, Clarinians! This is 𝐿 Montes.
Maligayang pagdating sa 𝐻𝐿 National High School. Nandito kami ngayon upang may bahagi sa inyo ang ginawang paghahanda ng aming paaralan para sa darating na pasukan.
Halina't samahan niyo kami makipagkwentuhan sa mga estudyante, guro, at mga magulang na ang sumali sa ating Brigada Eskwela.
Kaya't ano pang hinihintay natin? Halina't pakinggan ang kanilang mga kwento.
Halina!
Welcome back to Clarence National High School. Pagkakatas ng mensahe na bahilin sa Brigada Eskwela.
Kami andam permanente sa pagsuporta sa mga kaliukan ngayon sa CTP-NHS.
Sama-sama para sa bayang pumasa, ating hawak kamay tagumpay ang matulad. Bawat hakbang tungo sa pangarap, sa Brigada Eskwela walang maiiwanan.
Magandang araw po.
Gandang araw.
So, ano po bang yung ginawa ngayon sa Brigada Eskwela?
Ang ginawa ko po ngayon is tumulong po sa paglilinis ng ating mga paaralan.
As the part of the SSLG officer, we actively participated in preparing for the upcoming academic year. And aside in the physical work, we made sure to welcome and guide all the students and parents who came to visit or inquire about enrollment.
Kuan kahin lunga to sa rumyagwaks gatrapo pagay.
Ang maghapon parehas kami gawaks. Nanilig sa gawas.
At ano po ang iyong pakiramdam habang tumutulong dito sa paaralan?
Unang-unang po is magaan sa pakiramdam dahil nakakatulong tayo sa paglilingkod sa ating paaralan at ito na rin ang nagsisilbing pangalawa nating tirahan. Kaya honored na tumulong sa ating paaralan.
Maraming salamat po.
In behalf of the SSLG officers, we felt proud and fulfilled while helping during the Brigada Eskwela. It's heartwarming to see students excited to return to the school and the parents grateful for the assistance. It reminded me the value of teamwork and the spirit of Bayanihan. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Pagod man, pero lalaban para sa kinabukasan ng ating paaralan. Salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Mali pa yun.
Payot. Wala natin. Thank you, te.
Ay alipay sab.
Yalipay, kaya nakatabang kami sa school pag hindi.
So, thank you, te.
Thank you so much, te. First question, ma'am. How did you and your fellow teachers prepare for this Brigada Eskwela this year?
Hi everyone, good afternoon. The preparation that we had for this Brigada 2025, Brigada Eskwela 2025 is we had our convergence together, of course, together with our principal, Ma'am Crombie, and with the stakeholders and of course, the teachers and the parents.
Good afternoon, sir. What support do you think teacher need during Brigada Eskwela?
Okay, the best support that the teachers or we teachers need is, of course, the time of the community, the people, not just the parents, the guardian, but I think being a Filipino citizen, or if you claim yourself as a citizen, it is a shared responsibility. So it is a best time to show your impact, shared responsibility, and share something. It's only time.
For the last question, ma'am, for you, why do you think Brigada Eskwela is important for our school community?
Okay, Brigada Eskwela is important in our school community. This is because we Filipinos, we need to promote the Bayanihan, the spirit of volunteerism in our school. And this is not only to promote this culture of us Filipinos, but also to prepare the teachers, the students as well, and our parents.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, the message that we would like to speak is get involved, be participative, and share your time, because this event is it is our obligation. It is an everybody concern to prepare our school, our home to be a safe, an effective home for learning for our students.
Sama-sama para sa bayang pumasa, ating hawak kamay tagumpay ang